If you watched our video last Thursday about the new DJI Mavic 2 Pro, you may have noticed our stop motion unboxing we did. Today we're going to show you a few tricks so you can pull off a similar effect quickly and relatively easily.
First, we set up our camera in a bird's eye perspective. We also closed our blinds because we didn't want the light to change throughout shooting. On that note, we set up our Aperture Tri-8C light on the top right side and our LED pixel stick on the left side. We then just hit record and made incremental adjustments to our scene, making sure to remove our limbs for a second or two each time.
Now that we've got it filmed, let's head into Premiere.
And the best way to start is to hit Start.
The first thing you'll want to do is set up your keyboard shortcuts. We have an entire video on speeding up your editing workflow in Premiere where we talk about our keyboard shortcuts, so check that out if you want to know more. Basically, we want to make sure we have a shortcut for Ripple Trim Previous Edit to Playhead, an Add Edit shortcut, a Go to Previous Edit Point, and a Go to Next Edit Point.
Then, let's add a shortcut for Add Frame Hold. Just type the command in under the shortcut column, and in the column to the right, click once and then press the key you want to assign to that shortcut. Now that we have our shortcut set up, we'll create a new sequence with our footage by dragging it to the new item icon.
Now we'll play through our footage, and when we find our first shot, we'll hit Q and then press the right arrow key twice to jump forward 2 frames. Now we'll press C to make a cut and then hit the up arrow key to jump back to the start of the shot, and now we'll hit Y to create a frame hold, which creates a freeze frame for those 2 frames. Since each shot is being held for 2 frames, 12 shots will give us 1 second. You can adjust the length of each shot to change the fluidity and style of your stop motion. The longer each shot is, the choppier it will be, and the shorter each shot is, the smoother it will be.
Once you get into a rhythm, you can quickly work your way through the stop motion. Here's how fast we were working in real time. Our Mavic stop motion consisted of 215 different shots, so you can see why expediting this process can really save you time with longer stop motion scenes. One last tip we recommend with stop motion is adding sound effects. These really help sell your stop motion and give it life. There are a lot of sound effect libraries you can purchase, or check out freesound.org for a free alternative. We want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video. You've seen us use Skillshare time and time again for a variety of things. Rachel made a flower crown for a shoot with Carlton, and I've learned how to make more gourmet food and polish my skills in Adobe Illustrator and InDesign.
We've been using it for several years and recommend it to anyone who wants to take their skills to the next level. If you want to learn something new such as retouching in Photoshop, drawing in Illustrator, or even more stop motion techniques, Skillshare has that and over 18,000 classes for you to learn from.
Right now, the first 500 people to sign up with our link will get their first 2 months for absolutely free. Click the link in the description to get started today.
Thanks for watching.
We know it was a little shorter video today, but we're currently in Hawaii on vacation. We filmed this ahead of time. We'll be back finishing the music video series very soon, so stay tuned for that.
Like and subscribe or whatever, and we'll see you next week.